Okay, good morning students. In the last class we have discussed about stages of mitosis. Okay, today we'll
Yes.
discuss about stages of meiosis. Okay, so in the meiosis you will see a bit different compared to the mitosis. In the meiosis you will see that it is divided into two phases. Okay, one phase, second phase, like that. Okay, it's a bit different compared to mitosis. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
माइटोसिस और मियोसिस में थोड़ा डिफरेंस होगा. माइटोसिस में सिर्फ एक एक फेस दिया था ना, लेकिन मियोसिस में दो दो फेस आएगा. Okay. Okay, this is just the overview of the phases. Okay, which is occurring in the mitosis. Which is occurring in the meiosis. Now, this is just the overview. Okay, you can see two phases, isn't it? Prophase 1, Prophase 2, Metaphase 1, Metaphase 2. ओके सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स विल ऑकर इन मियोसिस. ये जो सारे दो दो फेजेस है ना, प्रोफेस 1 बोलो, प्रोफेस 2 बोलो, ये जो सारे फेजेस है कहाँ पे मिलेगा? मियोसिस में मिलेगा. ओके अभी हम लोग एक एक करके डिस्कस करेंगे. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस what will happen in all the phases. Okay, the first one is prophase 1. पहला है प्रोफेस 1. ये प्रोफेस 1 है. ठीक है, प्रोफेस 1 में ऐसा होगा. ओके तो प्रोफेस 1 में क्या होगा? इन द प्रोफेस 1 what will happen? The synapses will come together. Okay, they will come together. These two parts, na, they will come together. Chromosomes becomes visible. Crossing over occurs, means chromosomes. Okay, these chromosomes, na, they will become visible now, and crossing over will occur. Crossing over means what? Means they are touching with each other, isn't it? The two chromosomes are touching with each other. That one is known as crossing over. Okay, and the next is the nucleolus disappear. The nucleolus will also disappear. It won't appear anymore. And what will happen here? In the meiotic spindle forms. This spindle, okay, this spindle, this is known as spindle or a spindle fibers. It will occur again. Okay, it will occur. And the nuclear envelope also disappears. Okay, in the prophase 1, all these things will happen. Are you clear? Crossing over will happen. Crossing over means what? The two chromosomes, they will meet each other. That one is known as crossing over. And and these spindle fibers also it will form. Okay, so these are the things which you'll get in the prophase 1. Okay, did you understand prophase 1 in the meiosis?
Ma'am, what is crossing over?
Crossing over means when the two chromosomes meet each other. They meet each other. Okay, crossing over का मतलब क्या है? जब chromosomes ना एक साथ मिलता है, ठीक है? That one is known as crossing over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that one is known as crossing over. Okay, and spindle
Okay, ma'am.
fibers also occur. Spindle fibers means all this. All this, it will occur. Okay, did you understand about prophase 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will see metaphase 1. Okay, all this prophase 2 will come afterwards. Now let's see metaphase 1. Okay, and in the metaphase 1, what you will get? You will see that they will meet at the middle point. All these chromosomes, they will meet at the middle point. Middle point is known as centromeres. This middle part of the chromosomes. Okay, middle part of the chromosome, this part is known as the centromeres. This one, centromeres. Okay, and the spindle fibers, now whatever the spindle fibers are, they will meet here. Okay, and uh, they will join now together. Okay, two chromosomes each. Here one, here one. Okay, and they will meet at the middle point, that is known as the centromere. Okay, did you understand? And what will happen here? Spindle attached to each of the centromere each set of the homologous chromosomes. Means all the spindle fibers, they will attach with the chromosomes. Means in the middle point, which is known as the centromere. ओके, ये जो सारे स्पिंडल फाइबर्स है, क्या होगा यहाँ पे? जो क्रोमोसोम्स है ना, ये जो स्पिंडल फाइबर्स है अटैच हो जाएगा मिडिल पे. वो मिडिल पॉइंट को क्या बोलेगा? सेंट्रोमियर. ओके, समझ में आया अबाउट मेटाफेज 1?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, ओके, नेक्स्ट इज after metaphase, next is anaphase. Okay, anaphase. So what will happen in anaphase 1? It will move apart. These chromosomes, no, they will move apart from each other. They will try to move apart now. They will try to divide now. Remember, no, in the meiosis, it will have to divide into 4. Okay, but in mitosis only 2. Okay, from 1 to 2. But in the meiosis, you remember that they will try to be 4. Okay, so in the one phase, in all the one phase, you will find that two cells, and in the second phase 2 cells. So 2 plus 2 4, so 4 cells. Okay, so in this anaphase, what you will get, they will move apart from each other. Okay, they will try to divide from each other. So for that, what will happen? They will try to move apart from each other. And here what happens, the spindle fibers also, it will get shortened. Okay, it will get short. स्पिंडल फाइबर्स भी मतलब उसका लेंथ कम हो जाएगा. ओके, और लास्ट में क्या होगा, जो क्रोमेटिड्स है सेपरेट हो जाएगा. इट विल गेट सेपरेटेड. ओके, so this is the thing which you will find in the anaphase 1. Okay, are you clear?
Can you explain from the beginning?
Beginning from where? Prophase 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you remember that interphase is always the first phase. Okay, so in the interphase, what will happen in the meiosis? Interphase is the resting phase. You remember, no? Where all the organelles or all the particles were all in resting phase. They were ready to proceed to the next phase. Okay, that is the prophase. Okay, in the meiosis, same thing. The first phase is the prophase. Okay, so in the prophase, what happens? All the chromatids, now it will turn into chromosomes now. Okay, so this is the chromosome. It will be visible now. The chromosomes, they were chromatids. Remember that one. Okay, they were chromatids. Now it will turn into chromosomes. It will be visible again. Okay, it will be visible again in the prophase 1. Okay, Surajit, the chromosomes will be visible now. ये जो सारे क्रोमोसोम्स है अभी विजिबल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे क्या होगा, क्रॉसिंग ओवर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, क्रॉसिंग ओवर मतलब क्रोमोसोम्स मिलेगा, उन लोग का मिलन होगा. ये जो सारा क्रोमोसोम्स है ना, मिलन होगा, क्रॉस हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो दिस क्रॉसिंग ओवर मीन्स व्हाट, दे विल meet each other. They will meet, M-E-E-T, meet. They will cross each other. The chromosomes, they will cross each other. Okay, and what happens here? Spindle fibers will also occur. This is the spindle fiber. Okay, so this semicircle type. Okay, so this is known as spindle fiber. ये जो सेमीसर्कल टाइप का है उसको बोलते हैं स्पिंडल फाइबर्स. ओके, ये सारे प्रोफेस 1 में मिलेगा. ये समझ में आया प्रोफेस 1?
Yes.
हाँ. And next is metaphase. Metaphase 1. Okay, and in the metaphase 1, what you will get? You will get that these chromosomes, na, they will get attached in the middle with the help of spindle fibers. Spindle fibers will get attached in the centromeres. Okay, so this is a centromere. Middle point of the chromosomes is known as centromeres. Okay, तो ये मिडिल में जो है ना, बीच में जो क्रोमोसोम्स है उसको बोलते हैं सेंट्रोमियर्स. तो ये स्पिंडल फाइबर्स है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अटैच हो जाएगा सेंट्रोमियर्स पे. ओके, तो द क्रोमोसोम्स अलाइन एट द इक्वेटर, मतलब इस साइड में ये जो सारे क्रोमोसोम्स है हम लोग को मिलेगा इस साइड पे. इधर उधर नहीं होगा, अभी एक साथ होगा. Okay, in these chromosomes, it won't go here and there now. The chromosomes will lie here at the middle point, at this point. Okay, in the metaphase 1. Next is anaphase. Anaphase, in the anaphase, what will happen? They will try to separate. So for that, what will happen? Spindle fibers will get shortened. The spindle fibers will be short. Okay, and the chromatids will also separate. Okay. तो एनाफेज 1 में क्या मिलेगा? ये जो स्पिंडल फाइबर्स है ना, कम हो जाएगा उन लोग का लेंथ. और क्या होगा? ये जो क्रोमेटिड्स या क्रोमोसोम्स है, मतलब सेपरेट हो जाएगा अभी. क्या समझ में आया? समझ में आया एनाफेज?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. नेक्स्ट इज टेलोफेज 1. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज टेलोफेज 1. तो ये टेलोफेज 1 में क्या होगा? इन द टेलोफेज 1 व्हाट विल हैपन? Movement of chromosomes is completed to the opposite poles of the cell. Means the chromosomes, na, it will be near to this pole. This is the pole. Okay, so this is the pole, so the chromosomes, na, they will move towards this pole. This is the pole. The chromosomes will move nearer to the pole. Okay, so telophase 1 में क्या होगा? telophase 1 में ये जो सारे क्रोमोसोम्स है, ये इसको बोलते हैं पोल, POLE, पोल. ठीक है, तो ये क्रोमोसोम्स पोल के मतलब पास हो जाएगा, मतलब it will automatically go. Okay, did you understand telophase 1? Understand telophase 1?
Ma'am.
Okay, now we will see the two phase. After this, what will happen? After telophase 1, cytokinesis will happen. Okay, after cytokinesis, the cell will now completely divide. Okay, ये telophase के बाद क्या मिलेगा? साइटोकाइनेसिस. साइटोकाइनेसिस में क्या होगा? ये जो दो सेल है ना, दो दो एक एक करके जो दो सेल है, मतलब पूरा डिवाइड हो जाएगा, सेपरेट हो जाएगा. Okay, it will get separate and it will now turn into two cells, from one cell to two cells. Okay. Okay, did you understand?
Miss Telephase 1, I didn't understand.
Telophase 1.
Telephase 1,
Okay, in
Miss
the
Telephase.
telophase 1, what will happen? All the spindle fibers, okay, whatever was there before, all the spindle fibers, now they will disappear. Why? Because already, like, it's in the stage of getting separated, isn't it? From one cell to two cell, it's in the stage of getting separated now. So for that, the spindle fibers, whatever was there, it will disappear now. Okay, and this chromosome, it will move towards the pole, towards the opposite pole, you can say. This is the pole. Okay, they will move towards the opposite pole. And after telophase 1, what will happen? Cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is what? Cytokinesis means complete division of cell. Okay, they will now divide to two cell, one cell, two cell. Okay, did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we will discuss about two phase. Two phase means what? Starting from prophase. Remember, no, the cell is two now. After this, can you see this? Can you see this? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. After telophase, cytokinesis. As cytokinesis is occurring, it is now completely divided. Okay, now second phase will come. That is the prophase II. Okay, so all these things will happen. It will now turn into four cells. Okay, so now let's see prophase II. Okay, so this is prophase II. Okay, almost same thing only as prophase 1. Okay, so what will happen here? The two chromosomes, these two chromosomes, they will meet up at the, they will meet here. Same thing, like crossing over. Okay, and spindle fibers also you will get. Okay, but here you will find that there won't be any more crossing over because it is already divided, isn't it? It was already means crossing over already took place in the prophase 1, so it is ready made, you can say. So these chromosomes are now ready made, so they don't need to do crossing over anymore. The only thing you will get is the spindle fibers, because they wanted to separate from 2 cell to 4 cell. They wanted to separate, so for that the only difference you will get is the spindle fibers. Okay, did you understand? Crossing over won't occur here in the prophase 2. Why? Because already in the prophase 1 means already in all the first phases everything is ready, isn't it? Ready made. So for that here in the prophase 2, crossing over it won't happen anymore. Okay, prophase 2 में क्या होगा? ऑलरेडी मतलब फर्स्ट फेजेस में ऑलरेडी उन लोग का काम हो गया है कि नहीं, तो ये मतलब पूरा सेकेंड फेज में मतलब प्रोफेज 2 में रेडीमेड हो गया, तो इसके कारण इसकी वजह से क्रॉसिंग ओवर और नहीं होगा. ठीक है, समझ में आया? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? Only spindle fibers will be there. Why? Because in the spindle fibers you can see that as the cell wanted to divide, so for that you will see spindle fibers. Okay, did you understand? Next is
दो क्यों है?
हाँ
प्रोफेस तुम दो क्यों है?
प्रोफेज 2 क्या
दो है.
क्या दो हाँ, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी फेज 1 में ऑलरेडी डिवाइड हो गया ना, एक सेल से 2 सेल, याद है?
ओ यस.
हाँ याद है, ये वाला याद है कि नहीं? हाँ, तो अभी ये प्रोफेज 2 हो गया, समझ में आया? हाँ, एक सेल से 2 सेल, अभी 4 करके डिवाइड होगा. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट फेज में मतलब प्रोफेज 2 में ऐसे हो जाएगा. ठीक है, प्रोफेज 2 में सिर्फ वो नहीं होगा, क्रॉसिंग ओवर नहीं होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी क्रॉसिंग ओवर हो गया है कि नहीं, रेडीमेड वाला आ गया यहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो इसकी वजह से और क्रॉसिंग ओवर नहीं होगा प्रोफेज 2 में, लेकिन सिर्फ वो हो जाएगा, स्पिंडल फाइबर्स फिर से अपीयर करेंगे. Okay, only spindle fibers you will see that it's appearing again. Why so? Because they wanted to divide. So for the spindle fibers, they will occur, they will appear again. Okay, did you understand about Prophase II?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, next is Metaphase II. Okay, in Metaphase II, what you will get, this is this one. In the Metaphase II, you will get that the same thing only, chromosomes, na, they will meet here. They will meet in the middle, in the spindle fibers. Spindle fibers will be attached with this chromosome, that is in the centromere. Okay, all the phases are same. Okay, from phase 1 you'll see that all the phases are same, except in the prophase it's a bit different. Only this one crossing over won't occur. Only that is the difference which you'll get. In all the phases you will see same thing, same function will occur again. Okay, तो सब phases में same function मिलेगा सिवाय प्रोफेस का, क्योंकि प्रोफेस में ऑलरेडी रेडीमेड वाला जो आ गया ना, तो इसकी वजह से क्रॉसिंग ओवर नहीं होगा, बाकी सब सेम है. तो in the metaphase 1 also you will see this one same, anaphase 2 also you will see same. The only difference is that here two cells are there now. Okay, और सिर्फ एक डिफरेंस दिखाया जाएगा, वो है कि मेटाफेज 1 में सब एक सेल था, मेटाफेज 2 में अभी सब दो सेल हो गया. That is the only difference which you will see. Other than that, everything is same. Okay. So in the metaphase 2, what you will get? Spindle fibers, they will get attached to the centromere. Okay, so this is the centromere which you will get in the chromosomes, middle part, this part, this part, this part. Okay, and these chromosomes, they will align at the equator, means it will lie here, this part, these parts. Okay, are you clear about metaphase 2? Are you clear? Are you clear or not, metaphase 2? Okay, anaphase 2. Okay, so this is the anaphase 2. So what will happen here? Anaphase 2, the spindle fibers, they will be short now. The length of the spindle fibers, it will be short now. Okay, तो anaphase 2 में क्या होगा? ये जो सारे spindle fibers है ना, कम हो जाएगा अभी. उसका length कम हो जाएगा. Okay, उसके बाद क्या होगा? The sister chromatids separate. ये जो सारे chromatids है ना, अभी separate हो जाएगा. Okay, so in this, what you will get? You will find that the chromatids will now separate to each other, from each other. Okay, because they wanted to divide now the cells from 2 cells to 4 cells, they wanted to divide. Okay, so for that, the spindle fibers will shorten now, and again the chromatids also, you will see that it will start separating from each other. Okay, समझ में आया? Anaphase. Last is the telophase. Telophase 2. Okay, so this is telophase 2. So same thing will happen. All these chromosomes, it will move towards the poles. These are the 2 poles. Okay, the chromosomes will move towards the poles, and after this telophase 2, cytokinesis will happen, will occur. So after cytokinesis, from 2 cells, it will turn into 4 cells. It will turn into 4 cells, this one. This one. Okay, first thing was what? Crossing over won't occur, spindle fibers will occur. Okay, after that, what happens in the metaphase 2? The chromosomes, they will meet in the centromere, this middle part, and in the equator. Okay, So after that, spindle fibers, they will start to shorten, and the chromatids will be separate now. After the telophase, the chromosomes will move towards these two opposite poles, these two poles. Okay, and afterwards cytokinesis will happen. After cytokinesis, there will be complete separation of the cells. Okay, did you understand about meiosis, everyone? Did you understand? Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts? No, no? Okay.